Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has long captured our imagination. With its reddish hue and striking landscapes, it's easy to see why. Did you know that Mars is home to the largest volcano in the solar system? Olympus Mons stands at a staggering 25 kilometers tall, almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest. And while we've yet to send humans to Mars, we have sent a number of rovers to explore the planet's surface. These rovers have provided valuable information about the planet's geology, atmosphere, and potential for sustaining life. Mars may still be a distant dream for humans, but with each passing year, we learn more about this fascinating planet. Like and subscribe for more.